TestNav Troubleshooting. What to do when students get kicked out of TestNav. For issue number 1 for Microsoft Teams, first from the bottom right-hand side of the screen, use the caret or find the Teams icon. Second, right-click the Teams icon, then select Quit. For issue number 2 on Microsoft OneDrive, first, from the bottom right-hand side of the screen, use the caret or find the OneDrive icon. Second, right-click the OneDrive icon, then select Quit OneDrive. For issue number 3 on Microsoft Edge, first, from the bottom left-hand side of the screen, find the Edge icon. Second, left-click to open Microsoft Edge. For issue number 3 for Microsoft Edge, select 3 dots to the right of Microsoft Edge's web address bar. Then select Close Microsoft Edge at the bottom of the pop-up menu. For issue number 4 on Google Chrome, first, open Google Chrome. Select 3 dots to the right of the web address bar. Second, select the exit at the bottom of the pop-up menu.